These bunnies have balls.
Hey!
I hope you're hydrated because today we're going to play a drinking game.
Yes!
It might not be very Easterly, but every time I say the word balls, we're going to take a sip. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Elizabeth. I make and sell custom and unique resin jewelry on my website, calicounicorn.com.
Oh, yeah.
I'm completely obsessed with these tiny glass balls. They make everything look a little extra fancy, and I just can't stop using them. Have they taken over my entire workspace? Yes. Have they also infiltrated my clothes, my floor, and possibly my soul?
Stop!
Also, yes. But if you knew what you could do with these balls, you would also be obsessed.
Oh.
I purposely used minimal resin when mixing into these glass balls. Its only job is to hold the balls together.
Okay.
This way I can pile up the balls and sculpt or form them into 3D bunnies. I also cleaned up any resin that happened to get onto these wood bezels because I wanted to keep them naked.
What?
As you can see, these bows had jump rings welded onto them, so I snapped them off, did a little filing, and they were ready for the bunnies. If you're in love with wood bezels and cute designs like these and others, I will link Sophia's channel and her Etsy store below where you can go and purchase these cute wood bezels and many, many other cute designs that she makes. I'm using a bonding resin here to attach the bows, but I will switch back to a regular resin when I go to put the eyes on. I'm going to roll these metallic balls in resin and then I will place them for the eyes. And after spending an exorbitant amount of time trying to get these eyes perfectly matched, I realized and just came to terms with that these bunnies are cousins and not sisters, if you know what I mean.
Oh!
In other words, the eye placement isn't exactly what we call perfect, but it's pretty close. I mean, what should I have expected? I'm balancing balls upon balls.
What?
So where are we at on this drinking game? I'm not sure if it was my legal responsibility to mention to drink responsibility or not. While these iridescent balls are in the blue color family, they don't really pop until you put a little bit of color right behind them, as you can see here in a minute. They would have been fine on their own, but I do think it does enhance the color quite a bit. These 3D textured bunnies with balls are literally my favorite things I've made lately. What are your thoughts? Do you happen to love playing with balls too?